everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm starting on a new project that's quite different from what I've done before. I'm going to build a paraglider winch. This is a new area for me, so we'll be learning a lot together. The plan is to use electric hub motor from a bicycle along with its controller to make this winch work. I'll be documenting the whole process in a series of videos. You will see everything from the start to finish, how we build it, any challenges we faced, and how we solved them. And for those of you who are really interested in the details or thinking about making your own winch, I'll got some extra. On my Patreon, I will share more in-depth videos that include the products I use, detailed Fusion 360 drawings, and everything you need to know to do this project yourself. So there is going to be content for everyone. The main videos here will show my progress and how I'm building the winch. On the Patreon, I'll go into more details for those who want to follow along closely or build their own. Ready to start? Let's dive into this project together. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any updates. Let's begin. To construct a paraglider winch, we require essential components including a battery, controller, and a hub motor. Additionally, a receiver, transmitter, and a throttle are necessary. The throttle is linked to the transmitter, which transmits a long-distance signal to the receiver. The receiver then forwards a PWM signal to the converter board, and this converter subsequently sends an analog signal to the controller, facilitating the control of the hub motor RPM.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love.
From my experience working on various projects, I've discovered that Fusion 360 is an incredibly useful tool for designing components for different projects. Now, let's take a look at what I have accomplished so far with the paraglider winch project. Alright folks, we are currently inside of Fusion 360 and I wanted to show you what I have managed to design so far. This is an initial design since I'm still waiting on a few components, but it should give you a rough idea of what the final product will look like. I've designed a hitch that will attach directly to the car, making the whole winch system portable and eliminating the need for any additional trailers for transportation. The components I've included so far are the controller, a metal plate, and metal angles that together create a frame for the motor, and of course, the motor itself. As soon as I have all parts, I'll proceed to finalize this design, incorporating the exact dimensions for the winch. I hope you find this video engaging. Please feel free to leave comments, suggestions, and engage in the discussions. You can support my channel on epowerhobby.com or Patreon. See you in the next video, where I plan to begin working on the frame and assembling the components. Goodbye.